Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to look at another pantry essential for the do-it-yourselfer. Today we are going to look at baking soda. Whoa, yes, I have this big 13.5 pound bag of baking soda. And yes, this is Arm & Hammer. I am not endorsing any particular brand of baking soda. This is just the one that I purchased. Anyway, if you are a do-it-yourselfer and you want something that's going to be beneficial for many uses and a variety of projects, baking soda is one of the granddaddies of them all. There are so many benefits to this. Things that you can ingest, things that you can use outside your home, inside your home. First and foremost, I'm sure you know that this is a deodorizer. Baking soda is great to use in projects that deal with doing your laundry, freshening up your carpet, your furniture, your curtains. It's a deodorizer, natural deodorizer. It's also used for bath and body type of projects. If you want to do particular kinds of soaks, because this is not only a deodorizer, but it also has some soothing benefits. You can use this to brush your teeth. A lot of times you go into the store, you'll see whitening toothpaste. And what is that secret ingredient that's whitening your toothpaste? Believe it or not, that secret ingredient is sitting right here. Baking soda. You also use baking soda for baking, of course. A lot of people, you know that baking soda has its place in the baking world. You can use it to soothe sunburns. You can use it to soothe insect bites. If you get ants in your house, you can use baking soda as part of a mixture to block those little creatures from getting into your home. There are so many benefits that I am just giving you the tip of the iceberg. So do yourself a favor. If you are a do-it-yourselfer or you have dreams of being a do-it-yourselfer, go to the store, go to one of those big box stores, get you a big bag of this, and trust me, you will be using this in a lot of different do-it-yourself recipes. So anyway, if this was helpful to you, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos that go into the pantry essentials or using these pantry essentials, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will give you a list. And trust me, this list will not be very long, but it will just be the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with baking soda. Until next time.